I just got settled in the hotel room, so I started unpacking everything. So this is like my setup. I have just like my hairpins, comb, my brush. I got this one in Japan and literally goes everywhere with me. I have just these little flower clips here, and then I have my makeup here. Just has a little bit my everyday products in here, but this setup is just like so adorable. Like, just look at this. This is so cute. So I just finished unpacking. This is the whole setup. I have like my purses up here. I have a hat, my jammies. This is my outfits. I'm so excited to wear all these. These are just like looking like so cute, you guys. I think these are gonna be the outfits that are going to be just the most adorable. I have just like a few sandals and shoes down below, and then I have down here just like some little drawers for just like bra and undies, and then down here I just put like some of my jewelry that I started like laying out, so everything is looking like super cute. This is our view. Like, it is literally so amazing. You can see the water all the way down here, so it's literally so gorgeous.